from repeated rounds of thunderstorms. http://www.weather The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Comanche County in southwestern Oklahoma, west central Grady County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over southeastern Fort Sale, moving north at 55 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lawton, Chickasha, Anadarko, Elgin, Apache, Fletcher, Cyril, Verdon, Cement, Madison Park, Gracemont, Eastern Fort Sale, Lake Ellsworth, Lake Chickasha, Stecker, and Laverty. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.